Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So in this video we are going to talk about how to inherit the action and how to modify the values of the action. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you. And so for this purpose, what we need to do, first of all, in one of the previous video, we have discussed how to modify the action using the debug mode. But in this video, we are going to do it with a custom module. Like we will inherit the action and then we will update the values or some of the parameters. So you need to differentiate between like the inheritance of a view is different than inheriting of an action. So you don't need to confuse both of these because we have already done the inheritance of a view, like how you can inherit the view. So we have done it and we have added a custom field inside the form view and also inside the tree view. But in this video we are going to inherit the action, which is product action, and we will update the values. So for example, if we open the action of this view, and here we can see these information related to this action. So first of all, we need to find the external ID of this action. So in order to do so, you need to activate the debug mode and then open the action. So here is the external ID. So you just need to copy the whole external ID and then go here in the XML file. So as you guys know that this external ID is defined inside the sales module. So this means that you need to add the sales module inside the manifest file. So in the manifest file we need to define and add the module as a dependent, and then we need to go to the XML file and add here the view or the action code. So we will add record ID equal to, so ID equal to the external ID, which is sale.product template action, and then model will be ir.actions dot act windows. Okay, it will be act windows, and then close it. This is it. And then we need to pass the fields parameter to modify it. So for example, we want to modify the name of this action. It is currently products, and here you can see products. We want to modify it to products like services and consumable. So let me just add the parameter name. Field name is equal to, so what is the technical name of the field? So here we need to open the action. So here if you bring the cursor here, you will see the technical name is name. So write name here, close it. Here you need to define the new value. So we can say like products, and inside the bracket we want to add services and consumable, like this. Okay, and then go to the Odoo apps and upgrade the module because we made the change inside the XML code. So we need to upgrade the module to see the effect. Okay, let's see, and module has been upgraded successfully. Let me reload this page to see the change that we have added. Go to debug icon and then edit action, and here you can see the name is updated like products, services and consumable, and you can see the effect here also. The next modification we want to do in this case is like we can change everything if you want. So for example, if you want to change the limit value, we need to find the technical field name first. So the technical field name is limit, so we can easily define it here, modify it. Name is equal to limit and close it. Here we need to add the value, which is like, for example, we want to add 90. So let me upgrade the module. In this case we also made the change inside the XML, so we need to upgrade the module, and a service restart is not needed, because service restart is only needed in case we made changes inside the Python files. So like restart we reload the page, and let me see the changes. Okay, over here edit action. So here you can see the updated change. So in this way we can change anything like mode, view mode. We have already changed the view mode, um, just inside, just by using the debug mode. So we can change it using this inheritance. We can change other view reference, we can change the search view, we can say change this help message. So there are a lot of things that you can change using this inheritance. We will discuss in the upcoming video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give you a huge thumbs up. Thank you.